Nice dam, huh? You want to go first, or should I?
Are you hungry?
No.
I'm starving.
Well, I don't think you should eat right now.
Why?
Because with the little bit of money we have left, let's not waste it with the little knickknacks here at the dam.
Well, you know, if that's going to be your attitude, why don't you just give me my half the money and let me eat whatever I want, and you do whatever you want with your half the money. I think that's the fair thing.
The fair thing? The fair thing? I can't believe it. That's it. I have been too controlled. What do you mean? You took our nest egg and you broke it all over the desert inn.
Let's have lunch now.
You filled up the casino with yolk. The fair thing. I was sleeping.
Get it out. Fine.
Oh, stop it. Don't treat me like I'm an insane patient,
Just
please.
go back inside. You can yell at me. I don't want you to yell out here, okay?
Out here? Out where? We live here. Get used to the cement, honey. This is our house. Forever. This is it. We found ourselves. Boy, did we find ourselves in the middle of nowhere with nothing. Where are you going?